I see one woman carry handbag, black handbag.
Black handbag, he heavy well.
Way heavy, well.
He thick, he get body handbag.
So
when you go,
all of them don't arrange themselves. Say they want go rob the woman. Not pay.
Handbag.
Where you? Over. Roger that. When they go, meet the over. Now so them snatch the woman bag.
They do gymnastics so before they snatch the bag.
People don't they shout, thief.
Ole. Yes.
When they reach where they did, rapid response squad come arrest them. When they begin to slap them, hey, pa, they come say, okay, make them even check what's in this boy's thief for the woman bag.
You not go even guess. You not go fit guess.
When they open the bag, 2 wraps of fufu.
For even ask easy with first.
And bitter leaf soup.
Inside the bag.
2 wraps of fufu.
Heavy
and bitter leaf soup. But what they think now? How? Where the woman buy that fufu? Where the thing got the temple money? Because I don't say fufu when they wrap it is small. Except say I don't know where.
They do. You get the kind of where they wrap like this. My band tom, they wrap it like this in nylon. So it go be like say, it's a tall, it's a world of money. So maybe she buy it to when you want to get young her back and you go like that.
Maybe she put that for inside envelope, sir.
I just say na party that woman go. When they now from Beria she they come from, she collect take away 2 wraps of fufu. In them be that police officer. Either I chop the food, or the 2 police officers, the 2 3 of them, they go first chop finish. And when chop finish, bring pure water for them. When they don't bring pure water,
you arrest.
You arrest them. Anyone more glass more chicken if you're going to come back. Our able lawyer, go down sit down top chair so that we go discuss things we can enter studio for today or the next show when they come back. Welcome back. I don't understand. You won't let it. Welcome back to the next show. I was coming today on Monday and we got our able lawyer Kazeem, Adetola Kazeem for Inside Studio. He go tell us the thing when we say we carry come today, things we go discuss, and we go tell us now when we go begin take phone calls today for entertainment. Now questions we'll get today. Over to you, lawyer.
Yes. Good evening, everybody. Today, what we want to talk about. Last week we talked about right to freedom from torture, inhuman and degrading treatment. I know say many people don't gain from that discussion we will do. Today now, right to personal liberty.
What's in personal liberty?
Liberty, no be Liberty Stadium. Liberty means right to freedom.
You just use freedom now.
Hey, why not say right to freedom? You just want cause wahala. You can't get to liberty.
As it be, if you tell policeman big English, you go not say you know the law.
Police go stop you for road.
Sir, you can't tell me.
What are you saying? Do you know in the police constitution, section 3, subsection 4 to 4.2, it says the right to liberty. The police go, so I got to go.
Are you trying to jeopardize my liberty?
Are you trying to jeopardize my liberty in the krankum of the hiki haga
of the pestillation aqua?
So liberty now, like freedom. You know, some people when they talk of congestion of prison, they talk of people where they did prison. Where they did that for a long time without trial, awaiting trial person, they always hear those news.
Yes.
So the person spent 11 years prison, he never go court once. He spent 13 years. I remember when they just called me to Barr. After service, the first 3 cases where I do, now people who don't spend 11, 13, and 10 years in prison without trial. They just put them for prison, they forget them for them. One journalist can't write story about those 3 people. He can't write down. He say, one day in court, live in jail. Because they just go court. You know, say, before they put person for prison, they go magistrate court first. Go for remand proceeding. Then they call them remand proceeding before they call them holding charge. The magistrate will just say, okay, put them for prison. So until they write DBP advice, now then they forget them. And that thing where that journalist writing, win number word. Now him be the judiciary reporter for the year, for that particular year. So now those talks around that area, issue of arrest, issue of remand, now in this particular aspect of the Constitution they talk about. So the Constitution say every person shall be, I make us talk small in both so I go explain them so it go easy to flow. Every person shall be entitled to his personal liberty, and no person shall be deprived of such liberty, save in the following cases and in accordance with the procedure permitted by law. What do you mean we say everybody get right to in liberty. Say nobody go just arrest me. Nobody will just hold me for somewhere, say make I no come out. Except in some instances where the constitution itself don't mention. The first one now, in execution of the sentence or order of the court in respect of a criminal offense, where they don't find the person guilty of. Now we say if the court don't say, okay, somebody don't steal. And the punishment...
Like those people will say fufu.
One say fufu and vegetable. The law don't provide say, okay, this person go spend like 3 years imprisonment, 2 years imprisonment. You know if you can't talk, say, you know if you can't file action, say, then they deprive me of my liberty. No. The laws then they get as, when would they start this thing? Talk say, laws, they get exception. So now exception to the rule be this one. So if it is serve sentence, they never that law no fit work for you.
Okay.
The second one be say, by reason of his failure to comply with the order of the court, or in order to secure the fulfillment of any obligation imposed upon him by law. Now if you say, you know say court, the order, court fit talk say, come court, come testify. No be your case. But person fit talk say, this person witness am. But he call you say, I beg come talk. I beg go, I know they go, I know they go. Court fit force you say, come talk.
Yes.
Okay.
If court can't serve you that
Whether
paper,
you like
then
it or you don't like
they
it.
call her subpoena.
Yeah, subpoena.
If court can't subpoena you, serve you that paper, you can't talk say, I know they go. If they catch you, put you for prison. You know if you talk say, then deprive
detain
you,
you
then
again.
deprive you of your liberty. You know if you
Yes.
talk that one. Now because now lawful orders, now because you yourself, you don't disobey, you're in contempt of the court.
Okay.
The third one we say, for the purpose of bringing him before a court, in execution of the order of a court, or upon reasonable suspicion of having committed a criminal offense. So now we say, if you bring the person come court, if the suspect and say he don't commit a crime, like police arrest him.
They suspect them.
Yes, they suspect him. Police go first take and go court.
Okay.
Now the court go come remand them. That period when they take and go court, you know say in liberty they deprive of
But
liberty.
if they suspect them, why they cannot go court? They're not going to do investigation. They're not going to torchlight the matter.
No. Person, if they say the word suspect, then a technical word. The meaning be say the court never pronounce them guilty. So to that extent, I see suspect.
Okay.
The police feel they sure say this person will see the carry go and they shoot. When we see, I see with a Korean. To the police, not be suspect. Now person will commit crime. But to the court could see one torchlight the matter and say this person is guilty and be not guilty.
Okay.
So now the meaning of that suspect be that.
Okay.
Ideally, police supposed to investigate before you arrest. No be arrest, they can't start immediately, they don't arrest person. Apart from person where they catch when they do the crime. So the other one I will say, in the case of a person who has not attained the age of 18 years for the purpose of his education or welfare. Now I will say, what you talking about?
No, hey, continue. The English, now you're the
You know what you go do? May we collaborate. May we collaborate. Yeah, now I will say, may we write constitution where they do for pidgin. May we contract them out so that if I read that like this, I don't go to read the English.
Three of us like this video. Who go give
So what I
us?
say, person whenever reach 18,
Yes.
you know if you talk say then deprive him of liberty. Your matter say no come out this house. So if you come out, you understand? Or
So
say
because
go
he be
school.
minors.
You know yes because he still dey under control.
Okay.
So
Of an adult.
because let us say go school. You know if you say no, you still be under 18. So you can't say then deprive. They put you for boarding house.
Now my mama and grandma na first slap.
Now you
Na
know
back
that
hand
slap.
first. He said, what
Yeah,
is that
Olaya
back
Amage,
hand?
You know that kind of slap when they go slap you go begin look for your eye. Like you, I say they look for your eye. Animal try them. Continue.
Another one we say person will get disease. Disease wey like Ebola.
Okay.
Those Ebola people where they come quarantine.
Okay.
You know if you go court say they deprive of my liberty.
Because they leave you.
They leave you. Now, serious, you get Lassa fever. You can't fight for right or liberty. They no go grant you now because na contagious disease. Another one be say person wey dey addicted, wey don't drink, wey be alcoholic, wey be they can't go put you for when they call those school rehab.
Yes.
You know if you talk say you
deprive
get
you of your
they deprive
liberty.
you. So,
Lawyer, you don't talk person will drink now. What of person where they pursue woman too much? The streets can't gather. Can't keep on somewhere.
Who be this person?
I know somebody.
Okay. So
Continue.
okay.
the streets.
So another one I say they won't prevent person unlawful entry into the country. You understand? Affecting the expulsion, extradition. Now if you say person where won't enter the country illegally.
Okay.
They can't deprive them. Say, you know,
Like all these migrants, them.
Yes. Or person where they want extradite, maybe say person where commit crime.
They want send and go back to the country.
That time when they hold them, you know, if you talk, say,
They deprive me of rights.
yes. So they say, provided that a person, I better make her they speak this way, so that I go
To continue.
Provided that a person who is charged with an offense and who has been detained in lawful custody awaiting trial shall not continue to be kept in such detention for a period longer than the maximum period of imprisonment prescribed for the offense. Now, we say person where they can't put for prison. He not supposed they pass the time where he supposed spend if they find him guilty. But you go find out for prison where. Person will be saying crime. I don't talk for here before. Say that guy, the crime where he commit or where they are alleged to commit, like just 6 months. And he spent 6 years for prison. And I mean carry application and go court, where court release him. He spent 6 years for prison. They say, not supposed to be. So ideally, if person don't read that, say, you don't get lawyer, you don't get anything, don't read, please.
What of the one where lawyer talk say the boy, then the group of people will do something. All others use money, take shocking themselves.
Yes,
this one not get money. How many years is they for prison?
There. In fact, we still go court today. Person where they prison, they just packed them since last year. They said that they were wait DPP advice. For 1 year, advice not come out. Whether police send file, whether they don't send file, we go know at the next adjourn date. You know, all these things just they go on like that on. So people supposed to know their rights. That thing not supposed to happen. And if it happen, when they're supposed to do. If you file fundamental right application and you go claim money, if course you say what in the talk, now so it be. They go award money against them and you pursue.
Which year the money go come out of Kwana?
If he miracle fit happen. If miracle fit happen. Another one we say any person when they arrest or detain, they go inform am the crime when you commit.
Okay.
Within 24 hours for the language when you understand.
But now they happen.
You get some people that go arrest you, they're not going to tell you what you do.
Where?
Even if you ask them, what
They're not
did
gonna-
I do?
What did I do? What?
Yes.
When you get to
my
the station, you will
crime?
find out.
When you get to the court, you will know. That is
And
not,
that's so they will carry you
no,
go.
that is not meant to be.
But that because that one I no go like if it dey wrong, it no go anyhow when you want look calm. Person when you arrest, you also tell the person, okay, this is not what you do. You pursue 2 women at the same time, or you do this one or you do that one. At least the person go know what the person
Yes,
can
but
go.
you're not just carry and go. It's what happen. Like this case where they talk about selling.
If you ask too much questions,
they're
if you
there
just-
for 1 year. They don't know exactly what they do.
1 year.
What they get? Say now what they do with this. Now what? In fact, the wife even write on husband and wife they arrest. The wife even write on for a statement. Say they can't tell her. He ask say what thing we do. They don't tell her. They can't tell her say make a write that thing for a statement. He can't tell her say I asked about the crime we committed, but they didn't tell us. He did even did the statement where DSS bring on court. If you imagine that kind of impunity, the writer they tell her say he asked them. They tell her say writer. He can't write for it. You can imagine that kind of impunity. So they say any person where they arrest or detain in accordance to Section 1C, the one where I don't recite up, say they go bring them to court within a reasonable time. And it shall be tried.
That reasonable time, no, they ever reach over.
That reasonable time, normally, now like 20
years.
Some other sections explain them, depending on how the place far from court reach. If not somewhere where they close within 24 hours, they're supposed to bring them. If not somewhere where they far a little, 48 hours maximum. But now people they police cell before they carry them go prison. Therefore, most of those cases, what would they do? When you go prison, person go talk say don't spend 5 years before they even carry and go prison at all. He don't spend like 4 months for SARS, 5 months for panty. They're not, all these things are against the law, and I think the police need. I don't say it will actually then they try, but
So the people when they carry these people, they throw them inside, not even know the law.
Until we see today when I dey court, I can't see the list. The police commission will just stand up. You just say with their weight people. I can't check the date where they, not be my own case where I go for.
Yes.
I can't check the date where they arraigned that person, the date where they this thing. Now 2009.
Hey!
And the man stand up with all these things, say, we are waiting there, and the magistrate just adjourn them without necessarily looking at. And the law, the ACJL talk say, they get what they call remand proceeding. So now the Division of Criminal Justice Law of Lagos, and they guide all those issues of arrest, remand. The law talk say if they remand you for 30 days.
Yes.
Now, so now even when you commit capital offense, the court comes and say remand them for 30 days. After that 30 days, the court go call the case again. If nobody show, the court go adjourn for another 30 days. If these people advice never come out. And after the expiration of that second 30 days, the DP advice, the court go order notice say make DPP or C and Commissioner of Police can't talk why make them not release that person.
Why? Since nobody don't
you
show,
know, the law
give
don't
us
talk and
reason
say,
why we not go release this person.
Lawyer not even come at all without lawyer.
So
the magistrate supposed
finish. So from 2009, that lawyer
So
no
what do they try talk now? Be say none of them even know the law to start with.
Or they ignore her.
No,
they ignore
no.
am.
I think it's more of ignoring the law. Yes, because we supposed to put all these police, DPP, we supposed to put them on their toes. Because now pay them to do the job. And because if magistrate look am, say this date, where did this matter? Yeah. He's supposed to call to question. You understand? Without even lawyer coming. If I not go now, I know say in the next 6, 7, 8, 9 years, those people go see the day. Because it don't happen before. We don't do 13 years tire. We don't do 12 years. 10 years. You don't get people will do. Wow. You know. So people they suffer. And a person will know. Now you know. So they say if they can't detain people like that within a reasonable time, say, and it's not tried, they're not going to try the person. They're not issue advice. They're not try the person. Within 2 months from the date of his arrest or detention, in the case of a person who is in custody or is not entitled to bail, and for 3 months, person where don't deal on bail. Say the court go order the release of the person.
Like you get person where court order the release for a make court order the release and this guy where they with I don't know whether I suppose allowed to talk the story where they that aid court order the release because it don't they remanded for since December for 3 months now. Yet they never
do anything.
They never do anything.
So the court supposed to put them on top then too. And that's say anybody where they can't abuse the right like that, they put them for prison. Without just cause. They say the person they're entitled to compensation and they're entitled to public apology. You understand? So if person, we suppose, the essence of this is that, first and foremost, you suppose know how much, you suppose, how long can they hold you. You understand? And if they hold you past
that time
period where they're supposed to hold you, what thing you supposed to do? What are the options open to you? Now the essence of this. Because many people particularly if you go prison, you go find many Northerners there. There's some people where they do kaya, where they just arrest them. You understand? They don't get anybody for Lagos. They don't get they just dump them for them. Forget them for them. Now them plenty pass for this kind of group.
Their family don't even know where they
don't hear from them. And normally you get right to lawyer. If they can't the law stipulate, the ACJ or the ACJ, if they arrest you, you get right to tell them, say, before they even collect your statement down, you go tell them, say, please, my lawyer is necessary. I need my lawyer to be here. So the law allows, say, make them there, make you write your statement in front of your lawyer. The law even provides, say, if for police to talk, say, you won't do confessional statement, they're supposed to video them. So you not go there doubtful. Because what the police they do now, say they go beat people, they go confess what they don't do. Because I think we talked on last year, last week, say they're not that sophisticated. The normal gadgets, the normal forensics, all those ballistic, all those technical things to detect crime, they don't get them. So now force. Whether you do them self or you not do them, you go confess. You go confess what you not do. That is like that man now, where they arrest, we don't know for how many 1 year or so you don't do that now. You go to draw list now. Hey, I abused them last week.
I mean, you go there, you know.
That woman where they owe me money, I tell her, say if she not give me money, say something will happen. You don't know what you do.
Yes.
Continue, I beg.
So anybody, so you get right to a lawyer, you tell her, say, you get right to keep quiet. At that time of arrest, say, I not go talk anything until I see my lawyer. You understand? But now you won't talk or you don't want to talk, you will just divulge. But if you know, it's your right to say, please, I'm not going to say anything. You've arrested me, I need my lawyer. You understand? So when your lawyer come, if you come to do...
But he get, I don't know whether, as I see him for, normally, then go, suppose appoint one lawyer for you.
If you know, if you don't have, if you can't afford
yes, lawyer, they go get one lawyer.
Yeah, they go even advise you, say, the law, the ACJ will provide them.
But they provide lawyer for people.
ACJ, I don't know that one, no. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I've not heard of any case where they arrest person, where they come tell and say, you get right to OPD. And that's the office of the public defender, when they do case for free for Lagos State, or Legal Aid Council, where be federal. You understand? So you get all these rights.
Because even if for American film, if they want to arrest you, you are under arrest. Don't move.
Yes,
If you have right to attorney,
remain silent.
You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to attorney. If you can't afford one, we'll dedicate one to you.
Those things, they call and judges rule. But you get, the strength, to get strength. If they arrest you, they don't want you. They don't want you. They don't tell you, say you get right to. So far the court can still hold to some other things. The court no go. You get what I'm saying? But that is the right thing for them to do, which they're not doing.
Anyway, we'll go back small chicken break. For you to come back, we'll begin taking phone calls on top things where they be saying what they discuss.
When I write down a question,
still on top of the night show, they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.